Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a little bit very complex issue related to the notice under section 148. This issue is related to the assessment year 15-16. The original notice issued to the assessee was 30th June 2021. The assessee has not challenged this notice before any High Court through a writ. Even then, the revenue issued the notice to the assessee on 22nd May 2022 by treating it as a notice which is in continuation of the original notice which has been issued to the assessee on 30th June 2021. The limited issue before the Honorable Delhi High Court in the present case was that whether in case where the assessee has not challenged the notice through a writ, whether in that case also the case of the assessee will be covered by the case of Union of India versus Ashish Agarwal, which was decided in 2022 and which is reported in 444 ITR at page number 1. This issue has been taken up by Honorable Delhi High Court in a writ petition in the case of Genpact India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax and another, and this case is reported in 474 ITR at page number 48. And the date of the judgment is 9th September 2024. The facts of the case are interesting and a little bit complex also. The assessment year is 15-16. The last date to issue the notice under section 148, read with section 149, is 31st March 2022. Because the 6 year are ending on 31st March 2022. The notice to the assessee was issued under section 148 in the old regime on 30th June 2021. The assessee didn't challenge this notice in any writ on ground of old provisions or new provisions. But the assessee brought this fact to the notice of the assessing officer through his objections that this notice is in old format. But the assessee didn't challenge this notice through the writ. After that, when the Supreme Court judgment came in the case of Union of India versus Ashish Agarwal, the revenue issued another notice to the assessee under section 148A clause B, and the logic of the revenue was that this notice has been issued in giving the directions or in complying the directions of the case of the Ashish Agarwal case, because in Ashish Agarwal it was said that the revenue has to treat the original notice under section 148 as section 148A clause B notice. But the contention of the assessee was that the Ashish Agarwal case is applicable only in those cases where the notices were quashed by the various courts or where the modified judgments came in various writs. So the assessee version was that since the assessee has not challenged these notices into the writ petitions, so the Ashish Agarwal case is not applicable to the assessee, and the notice under section 148A clause B issued in continuation to the notice under section 148 which was issued on 30th June 2021 is time barred. When this matter was heard by Delhi High Court, the Delhi High Court was of the view that in the present case, the Ashish Agarwal case does not apply to the assessee because there is no denying the fact that the assessee has not challenged the notice or the original notice dated 30th June 2021 in the writ petition. The court said that in the present case, the judgment of the Ashish Agarwal case does not debar the assessee to challenge the notice on behalf of the proviso to section 149. The court said that in the present case, the case of the assessee is not covered by Ashish Agarwal case, and since the assessment year is 15-16, and the last date to issue the notice under section 148 as per the proviso to section 149 was 31st March 2022, and the notice under section 148A clause B has been issued to the assessee on 22nd May 2021. So this notice is barred by limitation and is to be quashed. Friends, this case is very important because section 148 law is ever evolving and it is giving the scope to the assessee and the revenue also to put their leg into the litigation. So because this case is directly related to Delhi jurisdiction, So all those assessees which are covered by Delhi jurisdiction and to whom the notices has been issued for assessment year 15-16 and who have not filed the writ petitions or their notices were not quashed by the courts, those assessee can get the benefit from this case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Genpact India Private Limited versus Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case is reported in 474 ITR at page number 48, and the date of the judgment is 9th September 2024. Thank you, friends.